Hello everyone, in today's quick review, we're comparing Skool and Kajabi, two powerful platforms for online communities and courses. But which one is actually better for you? Let's break it down. Skool is designed with simplicity and community engagement in mind. It combines a clean, distraction-free interface with features like gamified community forums, a built-in calendar, and a lightweight course builder. The focus is on fostering tight-knit groups and keeping everything in one place without overwhelming students or creators. Skool charges a flat monthly fee, making it predictable and easy to manage, especially for creators who want to prioritize community interaction over heavy marketing funnels. Kajabi, on the other hand, is a much more comprehensive, all-in-one platform. It offers robust tools for building courses, membership sites, landing pages, email marketing, and even sales funnels. Kajabi is perfect if you want complete control over your branding, automation, and sales processes. However, this power comes with a higher learning curve and a higher price tag. It's ideal for those who want to scale aggressively and manage complex marketing strategies alongside their educational content. If your main goal is to build a close, highly engaged community with a straightforward setup, Skool might be the better choice. But if you want an all-in-one business solution with advanced marketing features and don't mind investing more time and money, Kajabi is likely the stronger option. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities: community simplicity versus full-scale business infrastructure. Let me know in the comments which one fits your needs best. And that is all for today's review video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.